Hi, I'm Jack Householder. I live in Dorchester, a small town east of London in southwestern Ontario. During the holidays when I was 5 years old, I wasn't feeling very well. My parents took me to the doctor and I had a blood test. The blood test showed I had ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia.
First few hours there was it was quiet. We were all stunned. Within a few hours when we were up in a room, then the oncology team came in and the process started immediately that night.
It was really serious, and so I started to go to Children's Hospital at London Health Sciences Centre a lot, and I mean a lot. Since there were more than 100 billion leukemia cells in my body, I had really strong medicine right at the start. Then I had all kinds of other treatments. This lasted 3 years.
7 different chemotherapies, 4 different delivery methods. Sometimes you had to take it orally, a pill or a liquid. Sometimes it was intravenously. He had a portacath surgically inserted into his chest to administer those treatments. Sometimes they would put him to sleep and they would put chemotherapy in his spinal cord. They'd call that a lumbar puncture or an LP. And then the other one, sometimes he needed injections in his muscle. Those were hard.
My life was really different, same with my family, but we learned a lot from this. I want to share some of these things with you.
You can't do anything about what life throws at you, but you can certainly do something with how you react to it and how you interact with it. So we tried very much to stay positive, and we laughed every day.
Just because the situation was serious doesn't mean every moment needs to be serious.
Make faces. Or something like that. Laugh at how bad my jokes are. Sometimes works.
There was a clown named Ollie, and he painted my dad's nose blue one time, and he had a little ball like this, and we would throw it around the room, which I don't think we were actually supposed to, but it was fun.
Only a kid once. So sometimes, it's more important to get dirty. It's better to have those kid opportunities to have life.
A child faces something as serious as leukemia. People have to take stock and make a choice. Are you going to step up or are you going to step back?
It was like somebody picked me up and strapped me into a roller coaster, and I just couldn't get off until the end of the ride. You just have to dig deep, because at the end of the day, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Let's try this. There we go. And silly little things like a necklace or something might not seem important to many people.
These are the bravery beads, and each time I got something done, like a procedure or a poke, then I would get one of these. And I've amassed quite a collection over the years.
These beads are for helping out with Jack, some of the stuff that, just some entertaining him while he was stuck in a merge and stuff.
Those little amusements that they provided allowed him a distraction from where he was, why he was there, and what he needed to do. Okay, say hello, say goodbye.
We took all kinds of pictures along the way, all kinds of videos, and we tried to share those along the way so the people around us knew that it wasn't all terrible treatment things. There was normal life proceeding too.
Jack and Clint and Heather and Rob, they were so open with how Children's was taking care of them. A Caring Bridge journal, having videos, having photographs. It brought us all in and made it very easy for us to walk with them.
To capture the happy times and stuff like that, because if he did have any memories of the bad stuff, I wanted them to be overpopulated by the fun stuff.
We were thankful all along that we lived so close to Children's Hospital to get there quickly. We knew we were in a great spot, a world-class place.
Be grateful for everything you have. It was beautiful for us to see how many people had our backs, how many people were looking out for the little things.
Cancer, it seems really scary, but if you have the right hospital and the right medicines, and the medicines are really good right now and the doctors, then you can get through it if you're really brave.
This little man was 5, and he couldn't spell the word courage, but he was a living definition of it. So if he could do that, then absolutely we can do anything.
So have faith in the team, because they'll get you through. Know that there are many programs there to support you, not just medically, but emotionally for you and your child going through this.
We are so fortunate to have such a world-class hospital in our community. As a parent in a situation like that, huge comfort to know that you've got that type of access right in your community.
So the best thing is that the staff are amazing and they really help you get through it, like, all the time. Thank you, Walmart. For every dollar raised, you're helping kids like me at Children's Hospital.